Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My name is Ahmed Kamel. I'm from Bruker Optics company, German company. Today we are in Alama Iqbal Open University physics department to show you our smallest FTIR system, model Alpha. Actually, this system mainly used for measuring organic materials to have information about what is the content of the organic materials. This model is equipped with this simple accessory which is facilitate sampling without any need for any preparation. As I will show you now how to measure some samples, some liquid samples like this alcohol, this is ethanol. What I need just is to clean it with a tissue like this. Just I have to clean this crystal and then put small drops, few drops of my sample, a little bit, okay, just to cover this crystal, and then we should go to the software to measure what we sample. Our software is Opus, very easy to use, very friendly use. We should go to measurement and load our experiment, which is ATR diamond. And then we have to go to measure sample, start sample measurement. We just need few seconds to get our results. As you can see here, there are the progressing of the software. And then we got our result. After that, we will move to the software to manipulate and to do the required data processing. What we should do now, first, we should identify the peaks by this function, peak picking. As you can see here, each peak now is labeled with the position. And then we can go to search function to know what is this sample. There are many properties here, but the first one is the much more close to the correct answer, and the system tells us that is ethanol, and that's it. When I say fingerprint, I don't mean human fingerprint. I mean fingerprint for chemical compound. Fingerprint for chemical compound means that this system cannot record the same fingerprint for different compounds. So each compound has its own fingerprint with the system. As I explained, this model is called Alpha, and it's very easy to use and very flexible also. This model here is equipped with two accessories. This one is called ATR, attenuated total reflection, and actually this accessory is made to measure samples in reflection. The other accessory here is the transmission accessory, which used for measure sample in transmission mode. So easily we can mount the sample here like this. This is the holder for transmission samples. Normally, when we are using samples in transmission, we have to prepare it. We have to use other stuff for sample preparation, like hydraulic press, KPR powder for solid samples. And for liquids, we should use proper window, maybe KPR or calcium fluoride window. After preparing our sample, we can mount the holder like this, with the sample, of course, and then mount it like this. And then the system is ready now to measure the sample in transmission. If I want to measure the sample in reflection, easily I have to just mount the accessory of reflection, the ATR, like this. But in this accessory, no need for any sample preparation. What I need just is to put the sample on the crystal, like this. This is a test sample from polypropylene or polyethylene. And then put it like this. And then the sample is ready. And for liquids also, as I explained, just I need to put few drops of liquids. And then I can measure this directly without any preparation.